this. I love the sound of this
Yeah.
game. I'm excited.
So why don't we start with the first one?
Yeah.
It's 1/1 Pro T Crescent Rosebery Northern Territory.
Fail.
Right.
Don't even need to look at the brochure.
All right. So what it is, and the reason I picked it because it was $439,000. It was a 3-bedroom home. It's under replacement cost. It's probably less than 10 years old. It's rented for $495 a week. Lloyd, what do you think?
It's a fail. Now, the reason it's a fail is I just look at the last decade from 2010 to 2020. The Northern Territory had minus 11% negative house price growth, where every other state, other than Western Australia, had positive growth. So you're not going to make any capital growth there. That type of property is also the wrong sort of asset to buy. So while you can get a property in Northern Territory with good yields, I think at the end of the day, we're all here to create wealth, and that's through capital growth. You're not going to get anything with that sort of property.
All right, very interesting.
Yes, I would agree, and I'll just top that up with absolutely that particular state is a roller coaster, up, down, up, down. You don't know if you're poor or rich from one moment to the next. A market there that, is very unpredictable. Also, I don't invest in apartments because it is land that appreciates, not buildings. So buildings typically depreciate. And also from a renovation perspective, buying an apartment, you're not in full control. The strata body is in control.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of limitations on an apartment.
That one's a duplex, but yeah, still similar.
Same thing.
Same thing.
Strata.